To fix Google Photos out of storage, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Google Photos out of storage. Now to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to use Google Photos. So after that, you just need to open Google Photos, and from here, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right. So after tapping on the option of profile icon, here you will be able to see the number of storage used by Google Photos. So if you tap on it, here you will see the option of get storage and manage storage. So click on the option of manage storage, and here you will see the option of clean up suggested items. So there are more than certain amount of large photos and videos, certain amount of large drive files and emails with large attachment and all of it. So you just need to review the large photos and videos, and you just need to select the photos and videos which you think is not good for you, and if you simply delete it from here, you'll be able to fix it. And the next thing which you can do is that you may also click on the option of get storage, which is at the very top. So by clicking on the option of get storage, you'll be able to get 100 GB of storage for 0.49 per month, that is for up to 3 months. So if you purchase this, then you'll be able to fix the issue of out of storage. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.